Hey guys, welcome back to the Node study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss when you try to update password of your Apple ID or you may create new Apple ID password. You may face a problem that password don't match into your new password again. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, first of all, you may just click here on OK, and guys, you may remove all these from here. So let's check guys. So first of all guys, you may just create new password from here. So let's check. Your password must be 8 characters long, and you must add a number, a character, uppercase letter, lowercase letter. So let's check, for example, T is uppercase or capital, and you may write any other words. And after this, you may write any character, and then you may write any number from here. After this, you may write this same numbers, these in second box. So your numbers are your password must not different in first box and second box. So when you write same, this error will not show and you can update your password or change your password easily. So by all this method you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.